Okay, welcome viewers. So in today's class, we want to start this chapter, the foundations, logic and proof. Okay, this is the first chapter in Kenneth H. Rosen's book. Now, one by one, we want to discuss all the topics of this chapter, logics and proof. Okay. So the very first topic in this is that what is a preposition? Okay, what is a preposition? So we now give the formal definition of a preposition. A preposition, a preposition is a declarative statement. Is a declarative statement which is either true or false, but not both. So this is actually a declarative statement which is either true or false, but it cannot be true and false at the same time. If any statement which is both true and false at the same time, then that cannot be called as a preposition. Okay. Now we see some examples based on this. Okay. The following are the questions which we want to check that are they preposition or not. So the very first question is this, that Washington DC is the capital of United States of America. Okay, so this statement is true. Okay, so the answer of this is only true. So it is a preposition. Preposition. Okay, why it is a preposition? Because the answer of this is true. Okay, next question is this, that Toronto is the capital of Canada. So this statement is false because Ottawa, Ottawa is the capital of Canada. Okay, so this statement it is false. Okay, now next statement, 1 plus 1 equal to 2. So we people are already aware that 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. There is no uh, denying in this. Okay, so this statement is true. Okay, so this is a this is a proposition. Proposition. Okay, this is also a proposition. Now next is 2 plus 2 is 3. Okay, so you see that this statement it is false. Okay, so it means that this is a proposition. Why it is false? Because 2 plus 3 it is equal to actually 4, but here it is given that it is 3, so this statement is false. So this is a this is a preposition. Okay, now we see some more examples of this. So you see this question, we want to identify that the following statements are preposition or not. So the question is this, that what time is it? Okay, so this is one such type of question. The answer of you cannot say true or false. Okay, so this is not a preposition. This is not a preposition. Okay, now next, read this carefully. Okay, So this is an instruction to somebody that read it carefully. The answer of this is neither in yes nor in no. Okay, so this is not a preposition. Okay, this is not a preposition. Now, next, see, x plus 1 equal to 2. See, if in this question, if you set x value equal to 1, okay, in that case, 1 plus 1, it is equal to 2. But for any other value of x, okay, okay, it is not equal to 2, okay. So sometimes this statement is true and sometimes it is false, okay. So as it is both true and false, so this is not a preposition. Okay. Now, in order to check the next question, you see that all these are variables. Okay. So sometimes they may be equal for some particular values of x, y, z, and sometimes they may not be equal. Okay. So sometimes it is true and sometimes it is false. So that is why this is not a preposition. Okay. I hope that you people have understood it, that why it is not preposition, because sometime for some particular values of x, y, z, this statement is true. For example, if I take x equal to 1, y equal to 2, and z equal to 3, in that case 1 plus 2 it is equal to 3. So this is true in this case. Okay, but if I set x value equal to 1 and y value equal to 2 and z value equal to 4, okay, then 1 plus 2 it is equal to 4. This is not true. So some here it is true and here it is false. Okay, so at the same time what is happening, that it is sometime true and it is sometime false. That is why this is not a preposition. Okay, now next we want to talk about the negation of a preposition. Okay, how to write the negation of a preposition. Suppose that you are given any preposition p. Okay, a preposition, it is always denoted with the small letter. Okay, and it is a statement which is either true or false. Okay, then the negation of this preposition, it is denoted like this. This symbol represents the negation of p. Okay, or it is also denoted with p bar. Okay. So whichever you feel is convenient for you, you can use that notation. But how do we write the negation of any statement? We simply add this line, it is not the case that. Then you repeat the statement P. Okay. For example, if I say that okay, it is a parrot, it is a parrot, then the negation of this is that it is not the case that it is a parrot. Okay, so mean you just add these words, okay, before your sentence, okay, to write the negation of the statement p. I hope you people have understood it. We just see some more example related to it. So the next question is that find the negation of this preposition. Michael's PC runs Linux. Okay. So the one way to express the negation of this statement P is this, that it is not the case. Okay, it is not the case that. Then you write this line, that Michael PCs runs Linux. Okay, and another way to write this state, the negation of this statement is this, that you see that this sentence, okay, this is present indefinite sentence. Okay, so what is the negation of the present indefinite tense? It is Michael's PC, okay, does not, okay, does not run Linux. Okay, so a sentence, you identify that what type of sentence it is. According to that, you can write the negation of the sentence. I hope you people have understood it properly. Okay, now there is one more question which we want to solve. So we want to find the